how to fast forward reels on Instagram. Now, let's say you want to speed things up when you're capturing a reel on Instagram. Now, all you have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to camera. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on this button right here that says speed. Now, you can choose between 2 times or 3 times to fast the reel forward. However, if you want to slow it down, you can choose between these options right here. Now, if I want to fast forward the reel that I will be capturing, all I have to do is to tap on one of the choices, let's say 2 times, and capture a video to my Instagram. Now, let's say right here. Now, after capturing the video, all I have to do is to hit on next. And now the video has been fast forwarded. Now I can edit the reel on however I want it to be. I can add music, text, stickers, and filters. Once you're done editing, all you have to do is to hit on next and share it to everyone on Instagram. So that's how to fast forward reels on Instagram. Hope we help.